Audiebant is a leading mass communications specialist who combines audio, visual and mobile for the distribution of emergency messages and general day-to-day communications. Audiebant have already installed hundreds of lockdown and communication systems across various sectors, including education, NHS, and corporate premises. Currently, a number of universities have no communication system in place, whilst others are solely using a mobile app. Although mobile apps play an important role, apps alone are insufficient as they only deliver mobile notifications to people who have the app and do not guarantee full coverage during an emergency or critical incident. Some may not have downloaded the app or deleted it, or simply do not have access to their mobile, which means they will not receive any notifications. Audiebant helps universities protect everybody on campus when needed, including students, staff, visitors, and contractors. Audiebant's system is fully comprehensive and delivers mass communications via audio, screen, and mobile communications, ensuring campuses have full coverage. The Audiebant system provides calm, clear, and concise instructions to both students, staff, and visitors, directing them to find a safe and secure location or exit strategy dependent on the type of emergency, reducing or eliminating potential casualties, and managing incidents. The system's capabilities include zoning and covers both internal and external areas, including car parks. In addition to audio communications, Audiebant also supplies software to send visual messages directly onto an unlimited number of computer screens. Our AudiSafe mobile app allows students and staff to receive emergency notifications on their mobile phones. Emergency messages can be instant using our text-to-voice technology or pre-recorded messages. These can be changed or updated easily using a mobile phone or computer, offering authorized users the ability to create, add, and change messages whenever and from wherever they wish. The system offers the added advantage of broadcasting a variety of pre-recorded announcements. These can be used daily and can be scheduled at specific intervals throughout the day or broadcast instantly with the click of a button. The process is simple. Audiebant can supply a full turnkey solution that includes installation, content creation, and training, together with full maintenance of the system depending on your requirements. Audiebant, the trusted mass communication solution provider.